Want to speak English fluently, but don't know what to say? Let's practice together with real conversations and answers. Daily routine questions. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Do you make your bed? Yes, I make my bed every day. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat paratha with curd. Do you go for a walk? Yes, I walk for 30 minutes every morning. What time do you start working? I start working at 9 a.m. Small talk practice. How was your day? It was good, a bit busy, but productive. What are you doing? I'm watching a movie. Are you free this evening? Yes, I'm free after 6 p.m. Would you like some coffee? Yes, I'd love some. What are your hobbies? I love painting and listening to music. At the market, let's shop. Can I help you? Yes, I want to buy a pair of shoes. What size do you wear? Size 8, please. How much is this? It's ours 999 only. Can I pay by card? Yes, card and UPI both are accepted. Do you have any discount? Yes, you'll get 10% off. Traveling transport conversation. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the railway station. How much is the fare? It's ours 100. How long will it take? It will take around 20 minutes. Is this bus going to MG Road? Yes, it is. You can get in. Can you drop me near the mall? Sure, I'll stop there. Talking to new people, making friends. Hi, what's your name? My name is Rahul. And yours? Where are you from? I'm from Jaipur. What do you do? I work as a software engineer. Do you like this city? Yes, it's beautiful and peaceful. Nice talking to you. Same here. Let's stay in touch. At a restaurant table for how many people? Table for 2, please. May I see the menu? Of course. Here you go. What would you like to order? I'll have a dosa and a cold drink. Anything else? No, that's all for now. Could you please bring the bill? Sure, here's your bill. Self-introduction and job interview. Practice. Tell me about yourself. My name is Anjali. I'm from Delhi. I'm a teacher. What are your strengths? I'm a quick learner and good at communication. Why should we hire you? Because I'm hardworking and passionate about teaching. Do you have experience? Yes, I've worked for 2 years. At the airport. Where is the check-in counter? It's on the left side near gate 3. May I see your ticket and ID? Sure, here you go. Do you have any check-in baggage? Yes, this one bag. What's your seat number? My seat number is 14A. When will boarding start? Boarding starts at 7:30 p.m. Health and fitness conversation. Do you exercise daily? Yes, I go for a morning walk. What do you do to stay healthy? I eat light food and drink a lot of water. Do you go to the gym? Yes, 3 times a week. Do you do yoga? Yes, I do it every morning. What's your daily routine like? Wake up, exercise, work, and rest. At the grocery store, do you have fresh vegetables? Yes, they are in that corner. I need 1 kilo of rice. Sure, anything else? Do you accept digital payment? Yes, UPI and cards are accepted. Please pack these items. Okay, I will pack them now. That's all for today. You learned so many useful English conversations. Now it's time to speak them out loud. Keep practicing. Keep improving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.